This is my 99 C5. I have a no crank, no start issue going on. I've pulled the fuse block. Didn't find anything wrong. Everything's clean and dry. I have put in a new ignition switch. Still no crank, no start. I've had the vats checked. Everything seems to be okay with that. Put a new starter on. Check the switch on the clutch. What am I missing? If anybody has any clue, let me know.